Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we want to teach you how you can arrange circles like this and achieve it perfectly. So first of all, let's go open a new page. Stay with me till the end of this video to get something. So go back. This is a new page. Then from this new page right now, just create a cycle like this. So from this cycle, you can duplicate. Just press shift on your keyboard, drag it down, and then duplicate down a bit. So right now, let's readjust this. Ensure press shift and hold to scale it up. So right now, what we are trying to do is we are trying to make the circles fall in between like this to achieve this same result, or to be in the same angle. As you can see, they are equal together. So what we are supposed to do here, if we select these two cycles, first of all, then these two cycles, we try to move them to this angle. And from this angle, if we are dividing 360 degrees by 3, you have 120. So that is 1, 2, and 3. So if you divide a 300 degrees is a circular panel. So you divide it by 3, that is 1, 2, 3. So now let's come to this folder here. Select this, press shift and select the last one, then copy and paste, that is, you duplicate it, then come from your rotate section here and then you select 120, press enter. It purposely move in that order so swiftly. So we will still do that same thing like that. Copy, the let's group it, copy and paste. Then you can still go select 120 in that order, and you see the alignment is so perfect that you can't even gauge to know the differences in between. So from here, you have gotten your equal angles together, and you can make use of this in your design if you want to. So thank you, and if you love our tutorial, endeavor to subscribe for more. Welcome to Software Designs.